Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is supply chain management. It is one of the important topic in industrial management and operations management. See, first we need to understand what is supply chain. Then we will move on to understanding the supply chain management. So, here on the slide, you can see that supply chain management includes extended supply chain. So supply chain is the chain of supply, and extended supply chain includes suppliers of the supplier and the customers of the customers also. So in extended supply chain, starts from ultimate supplier, then it goes to supplier, then the company, then the customer, and the ultimate customer. So this is a kind of supply chain. And in a supply chain, there are three things which are flowing. First, as you see, the material flows from uh, ultimate supplier towards ultimate customer, and money flows in the opposite direction. That means from ultimate customer towards ultimate supplier. And third thing which is flow is called information, and this is the thing which flow in all the directions. That means it flows towards suppliers also, it flows towards customers also, flows towards company also. So there are three things which is involved in supply chain management. So when we talk about the definition of supply chain management, so supply chain management can be defined as management of material, money, and information flow in supply chain to provide highest degree of customer satisfaction at lowest possible cost. See, supply chain management is a process and the activities of sourcing raw material or the component an organization need to create product or services and deliver that product or services to the customer. So in one line we can say supply chain management is management of material, information, and money in supply chain to provide a highest level of satisfaction to the customers at lowest price. See, an effective supply chain can help both manufacturers and retailers to reduce excessive inventories, and this decrease the cost of producing, shipping, ensuring, and sorting of product which cannot be sold as well. So there are 6 components of supply chain management. So these 6 things, as you see in the slide, these 6 things involved in supply chain management component or in a supply chain management process. First is called planning, then sourcing, making, delivering, returning, enabling. So we will take one by one each of the element of the component. So planning, first we talk about planning. See, an enterprise need to plan and manage all the resources required to meet customers demand for their product and services, and they also need to design their supply chain and then determine what metrics to be used in order to ensure the supply chain, whether it is effective, efficient, and deliver value to the customers and meet enterprise planning. So planning is the most important and the first component when it comes to supply chain management. Second component is known as sourcing. And what is sourcing? See, a company must choose supplier to provide goods and services and need to create their product. After supplier are under contract, supply chain managers used to verify the process to monitor and manage suppliers relationship also. So the key processes that includes ordering, receiving, managing inventory, sorting inventory, and the authorizing supplier payment. So these all activities come under sourcing of supplier. Third is about making. Supply chain managers coordinate the activities required to accept raw material, manufacturing the product, test for the final product in terms of quality, accept raw material, packaging and shipping, and scheduling of delivery. So most enterprises measure quality, production output, and workers productivity to ensure enterprise create product that meet quality standard or not. Then it comes to delivering. So often it is called logistics, and the logistic and delivering involves coordinating customer orders, scheduling deliveries, dispatching the consignments, invoicing the customers, and receiving payment from the customers. So it realizes on the fleet of vehicle to ship the product to the customers. Many organizations outsource large part of delivery, so that in their organization they need to focus on manufacturing of product only, not the delivery aspects of the product, so that the organizational goal can be achieved effectively and efficiently, and at the larger scale customers need to be satisfied also. Then one major component of supply chain management is returning. So it is also known as reverse supply chain. So a supplier need to be very responsive and flexible when it comes to taking back defective items and unwanted product. So if producer produce a defective item, he need to be notified that he has certain defects in the product, because the ultimate goal of supply chain management is customer satisfaction. So if the customer is not satisfied with your product, they should be given an opportunity to return it back. If the product is simply unwanted or excess, it need to be returned to the warehouses for further sales also, or for the refurbish, or the for the modifying the defects also. And last component is called enabling. To operate efficiently, the supply chain requires a number of support processes to monitor information throughout the supply chain and assure compliance with the regulations also. So enabling process includes HR, finance, IT, portfolio management, product design, sales, and quality insurance, so that every department need to be coordinated and do their best when it comes to satisfaction of customers. So these are the 6 components of supply chain management. And now we talk about the importance or the utilization of supply chain management. So the first importance is identifying potential problem before they occur. So in supply chain management, not only we supply the goods, and we also identify the potential causes or potential problems which may be encountered by the customer, and try to remove it before it occurs. And second importance could be the optimizing price dynamically. So we can minimize the cost when we have efficient supply chain management procedure in our organization. One of the most important aspect of supply chain management's importance is improving the allocation of available inventory. So we can manage inventory in a better way when we adopt supply chain management. So these could be the importance of supply chain management. So we have talked about the component, the definition and importance of supply chain management. Thank you.